everybody, so this is my first video, and so today we are going to be reviewing all of my hundreds of stuffed animals. I don't know, I have like a stuffed animal up there that I've had since I was like 2, so it's probably gonna be dirty. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so here's one of them. My grandmother, this is a bunny. My grandma gave this to me like a couple months ago, I think. So, and then over here I have this National Aquarium. We went here a couple years ago. It comes with a sweatshirt. See? It doesn't really work, but my parents got this for me a couple years ago when we went to the aquarium. We got this Hershey. Sorry, my stand fell. Hershey. We got this from Hershey Park. Since my dad won this for me when I was like 6. We have this stuffed animal. I won this in a claw machine at Denny's. A little food paste I like to go to. This is a jaguar or tiger, whatever it's called, lion. I forget. And my dad, I forget where I got this, but it's really fun. It's soft too. I have this. This is my, I got this, when we went on a cruise ship to the Bahamas. It was like a fun night because it was like a daycare. So we got to make stuffed animals. It's my Build-A-Bear and stuff. So, yeah. Now I have to make another pile. I got this at Target. It's a little Beanie Boo. It's an owl. Forget where I got that. I have this. I forgot where I got this too. It's a little thing. It's super soft. I love it. This is my favorite. Oh my god, it's so hot in here. It's like 85 degrees up there. So this is my pig like hot bag. Since my favorite animal is a pig, for your information. So, and then we have this sweet, lovable turtle. And my grandma, she got this for me. And it's from Outer Banks, so I love it. This I got when we went to a little Minion, I forget what it's called, the Mean Minion, and I got this at a prize, like a claw machine thing on a cruise at the arcade center. And this, my aunt gave this to me. Well, it's actually kind of my brother's, and I don't know why it's in there, but he got it for me when he stayed in West Virginia for 2 days. This is one of my favorite stuffed animals. I've had it for such a long time. It means a lot to me because my Nana gave it to me, my grandma Nana, and she gave it to me when I had surgery for my heart because I had 2 holes in my heart. So that is a stuffed animal she gave for me because I had surgery. this is my other thing I got when I went to the Bahamas for the daycare, the My Build-A-Bear thing. This is mine. It's super soft and fuzzy. And I have two more. Oh, sorry, I dropped. I got this at NASA. The little cute thing. We went to Florida, and I got that at the Kennedy Space Center. Sorry about that. And then we have this. Sorry, my stand fell. Big, fluffy thing. I got this at somewhere at Rite Aid, I think. And yeah, this is all my big pile of stuffed animals right there. And I will see you guys later. Because this is my first video, so bye!